Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Starling Bank statement to Freeagent. Before we dive in, make sure you've got your Starling Bank statement saved on your computer. Most people export a CSV from Starling, but Freeagent also supports other common formats. Keep the file name clear and make sure it covers the dates you actually want to import. That little bit of prep will save you time later. Start by signing into your Freeagent account and heading to the overview page. This is your main dashboard. Along the top of the screen, look for the banking option in the navigation bar. It can be easy to miss if you've got lots of tabs open, so take a second to spot it. Click Banking to open up the banking area. From there, choose Bank Accounts. This takes you to the list of accounts set up in your Freeagent, including any current or savings accounts you've added. Find the business checking account that matches your Starling account, and click it. If you have more than one account with a similar name, double-check you're selecting the right one so the transactions go to the correct place. Inside the account, look for the option to upload statement. This is the tool that brings your downloaded transactions into Freeagent. Click Upload Statement to open the upload page. You'll now see a prompt to select a file. Click Select a File, which opens your computer's file browser. Navigate to the folder where you saved the Starling statement, select the correct file, and then click Open. If you keep multiple versions, choose the most recent one and make sure the date range doesn't overlap something you've already imported. Back in Freeagent, confirm you've picked the right file and then click Upload Statement to start the import. The system will process the transactions and bring them into your account ledger. Depending on the size of the file, this usually takes just a moment. Once the upload completes, you'll be returned to the account view where you can see the imported transactions listed by date. If anything doesn't look right, such as unexpected duplicates or a wrong date range, it's usually a sign the file covered a period you imported before, or the export format wasn't what you intended. In that case, remove the affected upload and try again with the correct file. A good habit is to import statements in chronological order and keep a simple naming convention for your downloads, like starlingmarch2026.csv, to avoid confusion. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a Starling Bank statement to Freeagent, setting yourself up for faster reconciliation and cleaner books.